Hey guys, it is that time of the month again that I need to stock up on groceries. So I am doing another grocery haul for you guys. I'm also including in this one a little clean out of my fridge and freezer. It's actually Friday and we're gonna go to Costco tomorrow and get the majority of the stuff that we need. We're running pretty low, so our fridge and freezer are pretty empty at the moment. So I'm going to take advantage of that, pull everything out, clean them out, and I thought I'd go ahead and show you guys that process. And then tomorrow when I get my groceries, I will show you guys what we got and we will stock the fridge and freezer. Alright, I just finished going through our freezer. So right here, I just put like a bunch of random stuff. There's some like popsicles, some leftover sauce that we had, chocolate chips, some loose veggies. So these are just kind of like random stuff that we didn't have a lot of. And then up here, I put more of like the stuff that we use pretty often. So we've got some grilled chicken, mandu, my sausages for the morning, some things that we had left over that we had frozen, some extra buns and stuff. And then down here, I went ahead and split up these two sections. So this is all of our meat, minus the pizza. And then over here is all of our fruits and veggies. fridge all cleaned out. Here is what it looks like. I have some alcohol left over up there. That's just some leftovers. All my drinks are right there. We've got just a few eggs left. All that stuff is like condiments. That's our sourdough starter. Like I said, it's pretty bare. We need quite a lot of stuff. Our produce is pretty empty. And then down here is where we keep like our deli meats and stuff, and then I just have some random protein bars. But yeah, so pretty empty. So we will be stocking this from Costco tomorrow, and I will show you guys everything that we get. Alright guys, it is the next day and we have our Costco haul here. So I'm going to go ahead and go through it with you guys. We spent about $270 this week, and this will last us for about a month minus the produce, which we'll just be getting from Walmart and the grocery store until we make another Costco trip. So I'll go ahead and start back here with the produce. We got a giant bag of onions. These will definitely last us till our next trip. We still have a few onions left over from the last time we went to Costco. We have a bag of mini bell peppers. We got a cup of watermelons. These are actually an Ibotta deal. So we went ahead and picked up some of those. We got some mushrooms. I'm going to use these in some sandwiches this week. We got some more guacamole for my avocado toast. We got some deli turkey breast. We got a pack of butter. This will last us a while for all of our baked goods and bread. We got a big thing of 5 dozen eggs. Again, this is something we get every time we go to Costco, and it will last us until the next time we go to Costco. We got some chicken stock. We got some Better Than Bouillon, beef and chicken. We got some ramen. I got the kids some more seaweed snacks. We got some Johnny Pops, just some popsicles for them. We got another bag of coffee. I still have some coffee, but I like to just get the giant bags from Costco because they last a while. We got some more frozen chicken sausage. Again, this is for my avocado toast, and this will last us until our next trip to Costco. We got a giant bag of blueberries. The kids love having blueberries with their breakfast, either in their oatmeal. Sometimes they'll throw it in their cereal or just for smoothies or as snacks. So we love getting these every time we go to Costco, and this bag will last us till our next trip. We got a pack of frozen pizzas. It comes with 2 cauliflower crust pizzas. And then we got a box of cereal. It comes with 2 bags of cereal. Again, this will last us till our next trip to Costco. We got a giant case of almond milk, and then we also got a big case of Ziploc baggies, the freezer gallon bags. And then our puppy needed some new toys, so my husband saw these and went ahead and picked them up for him. Hopefully he won't destroy them all right away, but those are really cute. And then we also got him some treats, these chicken and apple sausage bites. And then we went ahead and picked up a case of water bottles and 2 cases of LaCroix. So that is everything that we got from Costco this week. So this should last us at least a month when we go back to Costco again. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, be sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more, and I will see you guys in the next one.